What's up, Lady Fam? Hayden over here. Hayden over here riding the bike. Fam, we got this. He's about to spin it. Oh God! He almost ran me over. Like, dang, man. He sped. Oh my God! Don't wreck. Say don't fall. Don't fall it. Don't fall. All right. Dude, look at this. I mean, this one's mine, but his is gonna be. His is mostly over here. When he's it off. Hey, back inside. Come on. Back inside. Look at this crazy fool. Look at him. Look at him. Sophia, move. Bro, hold on. Bam, back inside.
Sophie, I told you to go to bed.
She snuck out the garage. I think the door's open.
No, you go to bed.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. All right. Dudes, I just put my helmet on. I just put my helmet on. I'm about to ride this sucker. He's coming back. He's coming back. Yeah. Ready. Bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. This crazy fool. Hayden, don't get off. It's cool. Keep riding. Keep riding. These guys love you. Keep riding.
Oh, wait, me?
Yeah, keep riding.
Dude, look how much more.
Dang, guys, look at this. Look at this, man. It's all from this hill. This hill right here.
Look at the hill.
Look at that.
Look at the hill. Look at the back of the hill.
We have to go look at this hill now. Oh, you going this way?
Yeah, I'm going down.
All right. Boy, step to the hole. All right, guys. Looky here. Look, guys. Okay. Put my helmet on whenever I'm done recording. I'm alright. I'm alright.
Sophie, shut up.
Daryl, can you record me and Hayden riding?
Huh?
Can you record me and Hayden riding?
Well, you can record him, but then when he gets off,
He sucks at recording. Yeah? Hayden.
hey, when you go down that hill, look to the left. Make sure it's the car stop.
Oh God. Hayden, meet me down here. We're gonna switch off. We're gonna switch. Just close it backwards.
Wait, can I see the video of me doing all that?
Yeah, after you record me doing all that. It's only
Wait,
been
no,
3
let me see it
minutes.
first. Dude, I'll bet
Dude, I can't. I have to. I'm making it all into one video.
Oh gosh. Uh-oh.
Big hill. Big little chunk.
Hold on.
It's okay. It's okay. I got you if you fall. I'll put the phone down. Alright, coast it backwards. And then hand it off. That's good enough. Alright, meet me down here. One more time. Look at this boy. He's so cool. Like, boy. Then we just see this lonely little figure monkey ball. Get. Watch, he come back. Up the hill. Okay, he's about to go over. I catch him. Come get him! Dude. Sick house, sick bikes. This sucker crazy. Hey. Bike. Oh, here. Oh, I got the bike. Oh, hold up, never mind. Turn it off, put it on kick.
Oh my gosh, bro. I had so much fun.
Dude, record me. Go up on the hill and record me.
Okay, hold up.
Even though you suck, I admitted you suck, but you're also pretty awesome on the bike.
What? No, I'm not recording.
Oh, fine, you're the best. Come on, dude, I just need you to record me.
Yeah, you know how many times I've almost wiped out because of that?
I know.
Because that hill's slick. So gotta be careful going up it. Oh my gosh. What's up, guys? What's hill?
I hear a car.
What?
I hear a car.
Yeah, me too. Come on. Hurry up. Woohoo! Oh gosh! Dude, you. You're about wrecked going up that.
You guys check the fuel in that?
No.
Probably should've.
Yeah. Landon! Up the hill! Check the gas. Here, I'll hold it. Here, and then let's